I'm gonna be teaching you how to remove console from your mods, like the mods you have installed. I'm going to be showing you two special tools I made. One is a lot stronger but a lot more experimental, and one is a lot softer but works on a lot more mods. Won't break a lot of mods, but oh, I don't know. But to use console eraser, simply you just go to releases, V1, download it, and save it to, let's just say here. Then you run it. Then you type in your Gorilla Tag plugin path. So see, Gorilla Files, X86, Steam apps, Gorilla Tag, plugins. And type it in. And it'll close, but it did load. It did compile. It did remove console, sorry. To test it, we'll have to boot up your game. Okay, so now that you've started your game, just whatever mod you have. So I like to test it with Gemstone, because it's not like crazy linked to console. Oh, sorry, console. Show you what happened. I'm going to open the Gemstone file. This is what happens when you run the remover. So all of these variables will be empty, which of course isn't normal, but you'll see all these functions, they don't do anything. And that's the point. It makes the mod you're using think console's working just fine. But when you actually try to use it, there's nothing there. So yeah, it's pretty damn useful. Alright, I'm going to show you the other version, so the soft version. So I have I will reinstall Gemstone. And then you open Gemstone. Save. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to download this. Just slap into your plugins. I already have it installed though. And then what you do is you run your game. Now that I have Gemstone installed, this one doesn't edit any of the code. Instead, what it does is whenever the console component is tried to add anywhere, it'll just instantly get removed. This will break a lot less mods. Mods with console, like hamburbur will work with this, and seralyth should work with this, and a couple others. But this is not as good, since if a mod's adding it in a different way, then it will not work. That is why just experiment with both of them. See what you can do if you want to modify in the code. If you if like a mod has some like weird spec console thing that both don't do anything for, you can edit that. To show you what the soft console eraser is doing, I will go into patches. Basically, this one checks, this is whenever a game object is created. A game object is basically like it's literally a game object. So it has, a list of components, and then you can make a new game object by going new game object. something like that. And what this does is this prevents it from happening. Then these two are fallbacks. So if it gets past that, then these two will check. These two will make sure console is just can't be added as a component. It also makes sure it isn't gphys's command line, because that is not console. That is a completely different thing. So yeah. I hope you use this tool. This tool was not made for anything bad. Console devs, don't send me death threats again. That was not fun. Bye.